In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Shared With Me folder in Google Drive Desktop quickly and easily. If you're like many people who collaborate frequently, you probably receive a lot of documents, spreadsheets, and files shared with you on Google Drive. Knowing how to efficiently access these shared items directly from your desktop can be a real game changer in terms of productivity and organization. Let's start by navigating to your Google Drive homepage. To do this, open up your preferred web browser and type drive.google.com into the address bar. Once you're there, you may need to sign into your Google account if you haven't already done so. The Google Drive homepage is where all of your files and folders will be neatly displayed. You'll see options on the left hand side of the screen, and for our task today, this is where you'll need to focus your attention. Now once you're on your Google Drive homepage, look at the left menu panel. Here you'll see a section titled Shared With Me. This section is specifically designed to house all the files and folders that others have shared with you. Simply click on Shared With Me to access all these collaborative files. This action will take you to a new page that showcases everything that has been shared with you, organized by who shared it and when. The Shared With Me folder is particularly useful because it helps keep your main Google Drive organized by separating the files you create from those shared by others. This folder includes not only documents but also spreadsheets, photos, and videos, anything that might be shared through Google Drive. One practical tip is to get in the habit of regularly checking this folder, especially if you're working on multiple projects with various teams. It ensures you don't miss any critical updates or collaborations. If you notice a significant number of files here, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate specific items. Try typing in keywords, file types, or the owner's name to narrow down your search results. This feature is handy when you're pressed for time and need to locate something immediately. Remember, everything in the Shared With Me folder doesn't count against your Google Drive storage limit unless you create a copy of it or download it. Hence, it's a great way to manage your cloud space while still having access to all the resources you need for collaboration. That's all there is to it. Simply head to your Google Drive homepage and click on Shared With Me to gain easy access to all your shared files effortlessly. I hope this guide helps you streamline your workflow by keeping all your collaborative documents at your fingertips. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to check back for more quick and easy tutorials like this one.